Shaffner. I'm so pleased that you've joined me for a ThredUp unboxing. This is my ThredUp Goody box. If you're joining me for the first time, I unbox all sorts of clothing boxes, online shopping, women's clothing. So if you enjoy that, please subscribe and join me again for another video in the future. Today I am so excited to be unboxing my second goodie box from ThredUp. ThredUp is an online consignment store. You can purchase gently used clothing, some of it brand new with tags. I have some of that to share with you today. When you go online and request a goodie box, they call them a treasure hunter, but basically it's a stylist. You tell them what you're looking for, and a treasure hunter will go looking for items to include in your goodie box. There's a $20 deposit on this box, and if you use my referral link, you can get a ThredUp goodie box for only $10, and that $10 is applied towards anything that you keep in the box. There's several different options to pick from. You can say, I'm looking for workwear or weekend wear or active wear, and they will send you a box around that motif. But you can also say that you want to personalize your box, and that's what I did. Veronica Foley is a YouTuber that I admire. She does lots of unboxings and great videos about women's fashion, and she has fabulous luck with ThredUp. So every time she opens a goodie box, I am inspired to order one. One of the things that Veronica does is she requests a specific treasure hunter, and the lady's name is Jessica Myers. And so in this box, I requested Jessica Myers to be my stylist or treasure hunter because I know she does a bang up job. In my request, I asked for items from Anne Klein, Loft, Talbot's, Nordstrom's, places that I enjoy shopping. So it did ask for blazers, cardigans, and perhaps some denims. So if you want to see what my stylist sent me, stick around. This is a good one. In my box, I received 13 items, and the estimated retail value of those items is $1,272, and the total price to me, if I purchased everything, would be $265.87, so a savings of over $1,000. It sounds too good to be true. Let's see what we think about this. The first thing I tried on were these denims. These are denim by Just Black. They call them the Just Black jeans. The estimated retail value on these is $78. I wouldn't give you $78 for these. These feel like a jegging. They don't even feel like denim. They are super soft, like pajama pants. They feel amazing. Now, ThredUp only wants $16.99 for these, and I think that is a fair price for it. They're super stretchy, very, very comfortable jegging that feels like pajamas. $16.99 is a fair price for jeggings. I'm going to call them what they are. These are jeggings. The next piece is new with tags. This is a sweater, a pullover sweater by The Gap. This is just a crew neck sweater with the big blue and white stripes. Now, this feels dated to me. It is new with tags. I suspect it sat in someone's closet for a very long time. Now, they say the retail value on this is $70.99, and the price to me would be $20.99. And guys, I shop The Gap, and you can buy a striped sweater in a more contemporary colors for about $35. In fact, right now, there's a 40% off sale. If you need a pullover sweater, I would buy it new. I can get it new for $25. This felt a little snug on me. I like a fitted sweater. I just wasn't real crazy about this one, and I wanted to be because I like that it had the tags on it. The next thing I tried is this chambray top from Talbot's, and this is just a button-up top. It's got the two pockets on it. It's a chambray with a print on it. This is 100% cotton. This is a wonderful top. Now, they say the retail value on this is $80. ThredUp's price is $13.99. Great price. I shop a lot of Talbot, so I do get blouses just like this for $13 when they go on sale. So this one is in very, very good shape, and I would actually purchase it if I was in need of a chambray top, but I have several. I think this is a fabulous option. I'm just not in need of it. If I needed a chambray top, I would definitely get this one rather than waiting for a sale. Again, another Talbot's top. Guys, this is just a button-up plaid. This one has no pockets. And if you get the no pocket shirts at Talbot's, they are a little bit less expensive. They say the retail value on this one is $80 and ThredUp's price is $11.99. I love the colors in this. This is just a cotton shirt. Very plain shirt, very similar to the style I wear a lot of, but I love the colors of this shirt with the teal green, the muted reds. I like this plaid color. This is only $11.99. And yes, if I waited long enough, I might find something like this on the Talbot's clearance section, but I'm going to get this one from ThredUp for only $11.99. I did put in a request for blazers, and she sent plenty of blazer options. The first one, and the one that I was most excited about, is this navy blue blazer. This is by Kenzie, and I like this because it's a little bit shorter. This is a size medium, but it's a little bit too small for me. You could see that in the try-on that the sleeves were just too short. It doesn't look bad if I cuff the sleeves, but I don't know that I would want to wear them cuffed all of the time. Retail value on this blazer is $107 and ThredUp price is $21.99. This is not a good fit for me. I really wanted to keep this blazer, but because of the fit issue, I have to send it back. The next blazer I tried is by Rafaela. This retailed for $149 and the ThredUp price is only $16.99. Now I'm wondering when it sold for $149 because this feels very, very dated. It has great big thick shoulder pads in it and the fit on me was not real good. You can see it's just a little bit large on me. This would have to be tailored if I kept it. I love the print, that plaid. It's like a houndstooth check almost. I really wanted this one to work. It looks kind of like an oversized boyfriend blazer, a little bit. Got the one button closure. I liked this one. It's just a poor fit. Looks a little sloppy on me. Next up is an Anne Klein blazer, again, in a beautiful plaid. This one is new with tags, so I like that about it. The retail price on this is $105 and ThredUp wants $25.99. $25.99 is just a fabulous price for this blazer. Now, you can see in the try-on, the sleeves are really, the cuffs are really, really big on me. And I felt almost like they were a bell sleeve, which I normally like, but it's not a bell. You can see that. That's a straight sleeve. And it does have seaming in the back. And I felt like it fit pretty good. But did you think it looked too tight? Let me know. I'm really leaning towards keeping this. I like garments new with tags. And I love a plaid blazer, so I think this one might be staying here. It's nicely lined. For $25, I'm sold on this one. This is the gem in the entire box, guys. This is a cashmere sweater by Talbot's. The retail price on this one is $143. ThredUp wants $20.99. That's unheard of. 100% cashmere. I love this color. You guys know I have shoes to match this. I'm really excited about wearing it. It's super, super lightweight. You can see that. But the thing about cashmere is it keeps you very, very warm without wearing great, big, bulky sweaters. So I'm very excited about that. This is in real good shape too. I don't see any signs of wear, although it doesn't have tags. This is in really good condition, well worth the $20 I'm going to spend on it. The next thing we have is a blazer by Talbot's, and this has a utilitarian feel to me. It's a really unusual color. I was drawn to the color immediately when I saw this. I liked it. I do not like the way it looks on me. And trust me, I adjusted it to try to make it fit. It just looks funny on me. So, like I said, very utilitarian feeling. Adjustable sleeves, a pocket, a working pocket here, and the waist is adjustable. You can cinch the waist on the inside and change that to be tighter if you like. This is new with tags. The regular price is $119. ThredUp wants $25.99. That's a fabulous deal. It just doesn't work on me. I would purchase this if it worked because I do think this is an unusual piece that I would love to add to my wardrobe. It doesn't work for me. It's got to go back. The next pair of denims she sent are by Club Monaco. Now these retail for $190 and ThredUp wants $35.99. So this is the most expensive thing in the entire box, and I liked these. They're a very clean denim and they feel relatively new. They're a structured denim. That's how they feel, kind of old school, but plenty of stretch in them. Very clean, clean hem. Typical 5-pocket denim with the just everything I look for in a denim. I just don't know that I need these. I like them. $35, it sounds like a steal when they're regular $190. I wasn't so impressed that I felt like I couldn't live without them. So for that reason, I'm sending them back. Guys, I'm moving. I don't need to be buying more clothes to pack. So it has to be super special for me to keep it. And I'm gonna send these back. Next up is a cardigan sweater and a bright, fun pattern. This is by the Ann Taylor Factory. This is in a size medium. This is 100% cotton sweater, and it has been washed. Shows some signs of wear. It's still very soft, very nice. I think it's shrunk. Cotton shrinks, and this felt like it had shrunk. It's too small for me. By the time I wash this and wear this a few times, I would have to send it back to ThredUp. So for that reason, I'm sending it back. The retail price on this is $45 and the ThredUp price is $16.99. I would rather buy new with these cotton sweaters. I want them to fit perfect. And here's the Ann Taylor cardigan number 2. And again, I love these bright, colorful patterns. Both of these would be appropriate to wear through the fall, through the winter. They're very nice, lightweight, 100% cotton. This one was not worn as much as the last one. And if they were new, I would wear the last one more than this one, I think, too. The last piece I tried is a cardigan by Style & Company. This is a brand that you can find at Macy's, and this is a textured, cropped cardigan. It has hook and eye closures all the way down, and it's got a lot of loose threads on it, and the reason being is because it's hard to find the hook. This reminds me of a 2-piece set. I feel like there should be a matching skirt with this. I would never wear this on its own. It didn't fit me well either. I don't know. Was there supposed to be gaps in between there? Perhaps. I don't like this. This is not my style. The price on this is only $20.99. It feels like a nice quality piece. It's just a piece that I'm not adding to my closet. You have just watched me try on 13 pieces of clothing. You're awesome if you stuck around to the end. Thank you so much. This has been a fabulous box. I really want the Anne Klein blazer. I'm keeping the cashmere sweater, and I like the Talbot's plaid top too, but if I keep more than $75 worth of clothing, I'll get a $10 coupon towards my next box. So maybe I will keep one more item. Oh, the jeggings. I don't think that will get me there. Anything else besides the jeggings? Let me know in the comments below what you would keep. I'd like to get that $10 coupon. I like a challenge, don't I? ThredUp includes a mailer. I'll put everything that I don't want to keep right back in the box and drop it off at the post office or FedEx, and they make it super easy. This has been a lot of fun. Please leave your comments below. Could you give this video a thumbs up? Let YouTube know that you enjoy videos like this, and I'll have another video similar to this in 2 more days for you. So come back for that one. I can't wait to see you. Blessings to you.